Hey folks, this is Sam here with Abeloff GMC Kia. I am in a 2024 Kia Carnival EX to talk to you about the 2025 Kia Carnival. Now, in the last few years, Kia has had tremendous success with this vehicle, replacing the Sedona. I remember when these things came out, and I thought it looked kind of like a Yukon with that boxier, aggressive styling, but we just couldn't keep them on the lot. They were so popular. But since then, 3 out of 4 Carnival buyers were first-time Kia owners, and these are the youngest buyers in the segment by far, including the biggest percentage in the segment of my fellow Generation Z. It has the best in-class cargo space and passenger space and V6 horsepower, and these, along with its tech features, make it a super compelling vehicle. So Kia is really onto something with this MPV, which is why they're so excited to bring us this gorgeous loaded update of it. And in this video, I'm going to go over the different changes in it and when we're going to start getting them here at Abeloff GMC Kia. When that happens, I will be making videos of each trim and its features as well, but until then, we can reserve inbound units once we start getting them on our website. I might be doing this video a little bit early just because I really want people to know how awesome this thing is going to be, and we'll be able to order them at some point as well. So if you're interested in a 2025 Kia Carnival or you have any questions about it, give us a call at 570-421-9900 and make sure to ask for Sam. That's me. Now let's talk powertrain. This is easily one of the biggest highlights of all the changes that they're making, but the 25 Carnival is going to get an available hybrid powertrain. And I know there are people who Kia may have missed since 2022 not having an available hybrid powertrain, but that's about to change. This hybrid option is going to be powered by a 1.6 liter turbo engine teamed with a 54 kilowatt drive motor. Combined, they deliver 240 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. And there are 3 new handling features. E-Ride improves ride comfort by alleviating up and down shocks. E-handling uses electric motor braking to help improve cornering agility, while using the drive motor to improve stability just going around corners. And then E-Evasive handling assist controls load movement on the front and rear wheels during emergency steering to maximize evasion performance. Now, going on to the exterior changes, there are going to be vertical headlamps that help boast Kia's wide, bold front end and Kia's new star map lighting pattern as well, which includes daytime running lights that are now going to be amber on all models, just like the new 2025 K5s. There's an updated tailgate with a more elegant look and that continued star map pattern. And I know in 2021, something that really sent Telluride sales over the edge was the Nightfall edition. The 2025 Carnival is going to have an available dark edition. And this is going to have black wheels, dark trim accents for the front and rear skid plates, C-pillars, doors, side mirrors, roof rack, and tailgate as well. Let's talk about some of these interior upgrades. To start with, there's going to be a dual screen curved display that integrates the screen behind the steering wheel and the center touchscreen. Some of the higher models in Kia for a couple of years now have had this next feature. Now the Carnival is going to have it as an option, is the head-up display. The head-up display tells you all sorts of information right in front of your face in a holographic display, so that way you can have access to it without keeping your eyes off the road. You're also going to get ambient mood lighting on the inside of the vehicle, available rear entertainment system with 14.6-inch high-def monitors, and this is a really cool one, I haven't heard of this in any vehicle, is available multi-zone voice recognition, which allows people in the first and second row to operate climate control, the windows, and available second row relaxation seats, all using voice commands. All you have to do is say, "Hey Kia." There's also going to be over-the-air navigation updates to help make the ownership experience a little bit more convenient, and dual deluxe size cup holders. I have not heard of any newer vehicles right now focusing on cup holder size. If you like your Stanleys and your Awalas and you wish that they would fit in your cup holders, I'd be surprised if this vehicle can't make those dreams come true. When the vehicle comes in, I'll try to see if I can snag one of my wife's Stanleys just to test it out for you guys. Now, for anyone hearing this and they're like, multi-zone voice recognition head-up display hybrid, I'd love a hybrid Carnival, and I'd love it in that dark edition too. When's this thing gonna hit the lot? We're expecting these vehicles to start hitting the lot here at Abeloff GMC Kia sometime around summer 2024. But if you're interested in this vehicle and you have any questions about it, give us a call at 570-421-9900 and always make sure to ask for Sam. Now, when this vehicle comes out, I'm going to make a video for every single trim level. I'm going to make a video of the dark edition. I'm going to make videos of all that stuff. And in the meantime, one of my goals for this channel is to make a video for every single trim level of every single vehicle that we have available across Kia and GMC, so that you can learn more about these vehicles and make the right decisions during your search. So if that's something you'd like to learn more about, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. But thank you so much for watching and have an awesome rest of your day.